Welcome to my channel. We are required to solve for x. In this question, 16 to power x is equal to x to power 8. I am going to use two methods to solve this problem. The first method is the logarithms method, where I will take logarithm of both sides, and the other method is the product log method, otherwise known as the Lambert's W function method. Before I proceed, I will need you to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so, turn on the notification bell, and also share this video. Sharing is an act of love, and love doesn't cost a thing. I would also like you to stick around to the end of the video because it will be a bit lengthy, and then I would like to read your comments in the comment section. Enough of the commercials. Let us now solve the problem. I'll first of all reduce this equation. 16 to power x equals to x to power 8 is the problem. 16 can be written as 2 to power 4, then outside is power x equals to x to power 8. Now, 2 to power 4x is equal to x to power 8. I will now have to multiply both sides by power 1 over 4. That becomes 2 to power 4x power 1 over 4 is equal to x to power 8 power 1 over 4. I'm doing this so as to reduce the powers. Now, this 4 will cancel this 4 here, and 4 here, 1 here is 2. So I have 2 to power x is equal to x to power 2. We now have a simplified equation. Now, looking at the equation, we can easily say that x is equal to 2. However, we need to find the other values of x. Why? Because the function, this function is an exponential function, and the graph looks like this. Whereas this function is a polynomial function, and the graph looks like this. So that means that there are at least 2 points where these two lines for this function and for this function will meet. Those 2 points are where we'll have the solutions to the equation. And we just found out that one of the solutions is x is equal to 2. So let's find the other one. We'll do that by taking log of both sides. So we'll have ln 2 to power x is equal to ln x to power 2. This x will come down. Ln 2 is equal to 2 ln x. What I applied here is the power law of logarithm. Ln x to power p is equal to p ln x is what I applied in this case. So if I divide both sides by 2x, divide both sides by 2x, this 2 will cancel this, and this x will cancel this, leaving us ln 2 over 2 is equal to ln x over x. Now, looking at it again, we can easily see that x is equal to 2. However, ln 2 over 2 is the same thing as ln 4 over 4. We have 0.34657. So x is equal to 2 as x is equal to 4. These are the two solutions to the equation. Now, another method that I want to use in solving this is the product log method. The product log method. This product log method is also known as the Lambert's W function method. Now, the gist of this method is this. If I have x times e to power x equals to a constant, now if I take the Lambert W of both sides, I will have solved the equation. So this here, Lambert W of this side will give me x. So this is one way that I can make x the subject. The question is 16 to power x is equal to x to power 8. What I need to do first is to find the 8th root of both sides. That becomes 16 to power x over 8 is equal to x over 8 divided by 8. I'm doing this to reduce the power here. So I have here 16 to power x over 8 is equal to x to power 1. What I need to do next is to divide both sides by 16 to power x over 8. Let me go up. I have x divided by 16 to power x over 8 is equal to 16 to the power x over 8 over 16 to the power x over 8. This will give me 1. And here can be rewritten as x times 16 to the power minus x over 8. Let's remember that e to the power ln x is the same thing as x. So I'll now need to rewrite this one as x times e to the power ln 16 minus x over 8 is equal to 1. I am not multiplying both sides by this factor or by this function. Rather, I'm rewriting this as this. I can also rewrite it as x times e to the power minus x over 8 ln 16 is equal to 1. So in the power of the exponent, I have minus x over 8 ln 16, but I have only x here. So for me to make this the same thing as this, I will now need to multiply both sides by minus ln 16 over 8. So here I have minus x times ln 16 over 8 times e minus x over 8 ln 16 equals to, multiply 1 by this, I have minus ln 16 over 8. So you can now see that this function is exactly the same thing as this function, which is the power of the exponent. So we can comfortably take the w of both sides. So here is minus x over 8 ln 16 e minus x over 8 ln 16 equals to w of minus ln 16 over 8. According to the Lambert W function, this now reduces to minus x over 8 ln 16 equals to w minus ln 16 over 8. Let us now make x the subject. To make x the subject, I have to multiply both sides by 8 over ln 16 minus 8 over ln 16. So x equals to minus 8 over ln 16 times w minus ln 16 over 8. ln 16 minus ln 16 over 8 is minus 0.34657, whereas my ln 16 is 2.772589. However, my w minus ln 16 over 8 is 1.386332, or minus 0.693124. So x equals to minus 8 over 2.772589 times, we'll now take one of these, times minus 1.386332, or x equals to minus 8 over 2.772589 times minus 0.693124. In the first case, x equals to 4.00, or x equals to 1.999, like that. So we can approximate this to x equals to 2, and this is x equals to 4.